my channel. How are you doing today? Is it okay with you? I hope all is well. Thank God for another weekend, another week, another day. It's a blessing to be alive. Today is the last day of August. All right, we are getting there. We are getting there. How are you doing so far? Is it okay? I hope so. I hope all is well. I hope I is going back to school. For those who are going to back to school, I hope you are preparing to go back to school, and I hope you'll work and the challenges, work on whatever you want in life, you will succeed. All right, you have to just keep trying. For those students that is going back, just keep trying. Just keep trying. You will be there. You'll get what you want in this life. All right, welcome back to my subscribers and my viewers and all those YouTubers out there who's trying to do well in life. All right, welcome back. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for viewing my channel, and thank you for subscribing. All right, you take care. All right, today, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make some coconut oil. All right, and coconut oil has a lot of purpose. It's not much coconut. It's like two coconuts, but I use it after I boil it. I can use it to cook, I can use it to rub my hair, and I can use it to rub my hands or my skin. All right, it had so many purposes. So I'm just going to boil these two coconuts. I'm going to show you how I boil my coconut. I think I did it once already, but I have some here, so I'm going to show you how I do it. And for those who did not see, I'll show you how I do it now. All right, watch as I go. Yes, this is my coconut. All right, I wash and I cut already, so I'm going to show you how I blend it, and you can grate it also. And to me, when you grate your coconut, I think you get more juice. I don't know why, but I think so. Make it in your comment. When you grate it, do you get more juice, or when you blend it, do you get more juice from it or more oil from it? Just let me know. Make a comment and let me know. All right, so I'm going to put it in my blender. All right, so watch as I go. You can see my blender here. All right, so I'm going to just put some in it. Let me know if you're hearing me. All right, because I don't have a mic, so let me know if you're hearing me. All right, so I'm going to blend my coconut, so watch as I go. Can see, I'm going to strain it here. Let me put my blender a bit. Whoops, spin. All right, doesn't matter. Look at it. I'm going to put it here. All right, so I'm going to use the same water. The same water I'm going to use to blend it. The rest of the coconut. Alright, so I have some coconut here. And don't put a lot of coconut in yours, alright? It will damage your blender. don't need a lot of water. And what I see they do sometimes, they grate the coconut or blend it and put it down for the other day. You can put, they say you can put it on the outside. Also, you can leave it on the countertop, or you can put it in your fridge and then for a day or 24 hours, they say, and then you take it and you skim off the milk and leave the water, and then you boil the milk from it. So I've never tried that before, so I'm going to try it and let you see. All right, so this is the last of the coconut. So let me know if you ever tried that before. You put your grater it and then you juice it and put it for 24 hours or less, and then you skim off the top of it and then you boil it. All right, so let me know if you ever tried it before. Have you ever boiled coconut before? Coconut oil before, as a matter of fact? Just let me know if you ever boiled it before. It's not hard. All right. So this is my, put it in one. Okay. You can see it? You do it like this. All right. Also, you can put some, let me move the blender, see what I'm talking about. So this is what I have here, not much. Let me show you. This is my coconut juice. So over here now, you can put the water in it and strain it some more. All right, but I'm going to use this for a different purpose, but I'm just showing you what I going to do with this one. All right, so I'm going to blend this over and use it for a different purpose. Okay, so I'm going to show you my pot over there waiting on me. Okay, this is my pot here waiting on me. All right, so this little now, you can see I'm going to strain. My pot is all hot, so I'm going to strain. Can see? That's it. So it will take like, this will take like an hour to boil down. All right, so it's easy. So let me know if you ever boil coconut oil and what's the purpose of coconut oil. What purpose does it serve? What do you use it for? You use it in your cooking, your baking, or you it on your skin or in your hair or whatever. But I use it on my skin and I use it in my hair, and if I'm cooking I put some in it also. So you can just make a comment and tell me, have you ever boiled it before and how you use it. All right, thanks you for watching. Yes, my subscribers and my viewers, you can see this is what I'm talking about. You skim this off. You don't use the water, so you just skim this off. But I won't do it that way. But at one of the day I will try. Alright, I remember to juice your coconut in warm water. Alright, they said that you get the juice out better. Just let me know if it's true. When you use the warm water, you get the juice better from the coconut. Alright, so make a comment, man. Say something about my coconut oil that I'm boiling. Alright, and let me know if you ever tried it before. Okay, okay, just keep watching. Alright, you can see, guys, you can see the oil. Oil is on top. Alright, alright, so you have to keep turning your pot like this. Okay, so watch as I go. You can see it now, guys. Getting there, my subscribers and viewers. It's getting there. And you can put saltfish in this, and you can put mackerel in it and season it up. Alright? You see, I must keep turning it. You see where it's coming from? Way up here. Alright? You can see the oil. You can see the oil? It's getting there. It's getting there. Alright? Just watch as I go. You can see this is going to get brown. It's going to give a brown color as if it is going to be burned. And see? So watch as I go. Can you see, guys? Okay, I hope you can see. You can see? You can see the oil? So you make it look golden brown like this, and then you can see the oil there. Alright, it's not much oil, but it can work. Let me turn off the fan. Here, you can see? It's all finished now. Alright, so when it's cool, I'm going to strain it. Alright, that's how I boil my oil. Alright, tell me how you boil yours. So it's a bit golden brown now, and you can eat this, but not when it is like this, when it's a bit whiter. Put it with saltfish or mackerel or whatever. Alright, let me know, tell me where you're viewing from. Can you make coconut oil? And if you can, tell me how you make it. Alright? See you when I'm straining the oil. Oh, this is my finished product. It's not much because it's just 2 coconut. But one scripture said, in everything we should give thanks. Whether it's big or small, we should give thanks. But this is just 2 coconut, so I have to still give thanks. Alright? It's a bit dark. Sometimes when I boil it, it has a lighter color. But sometimes when it's too much fire on it, it gets dark. If you don't remove it from the stove quickly, it will get dark. So this is what happened. It get dark just a little bit. But give thanks. I use it to rub on my skin and in my ear. Just tell me how you do it when you're boiling your oil. Okay? Alright? Thanks a lot for watching. Blessing every time. This is a lot of blessing for me. Okay? Take care. Love you. Bye bye, my subscribers and my viewers, and all those who watch and make a comment. I love you all. Alright? You take care. Bye.